In this guide, I'm going to show you how to play local split-screen multiplayer here in Black Ops 1, PS4, and PS5. First things first, you need to go ahead and launch the game with only your main account signed in. If you sign into your second account before opening the game, it may cause an error, but from the main menu, go ahead and get on multiplayer and then choose local and select split screen. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Once you're on this page right here, this is when you're going to want to connect that second controller. So turn on that second controller, sign in with another PlayStation account, or try using a guest profile. Once that second account is on there, you're going to see an option that says press X to add split screen controller. Go ahead and do that. And then of course, once that's connected, all you have to do is change your map, change your game mode, create a class, kill streaks, and then start your match. And just like that, you're good to go. That screen is then going to be divided into two different sections, allowing both players to play locally on the same console. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.